Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Zero Davila. Welcome back to Save Our System IT. Today we'll continue part number 17 of our Busybox series. When invoking reset, the command sets cooked and echo modes, turns off C breaks and raw modes, turns on new line translations, and resets and unsets special characters to their default values before doing the terminal initialization. This is useful after a program dies, leaving a terminal in an abnormal state. Note, you may have to type reset between two line feeds, and the line feed character is normally Ctrl J to get a terminal to work, as carriage return may no longer work in the abnormal state. Also, the terminal will often not echo the command, so you will not see it. The rev utility is one of the simple file manipulation commands, and it copies the specified files to the standard output, reversing the order of characters in every line. If no files are specified, the standard input is read. The rm command removes, meaning that it deletes files or directories. Rm removes each specified files. By default, it does not remove directories. The removal process unlinks a file name in a file system from data on the storage device, and marks that space as usable by future writes. In other words, removing files increases the amount of available space on your disk. The data itself is not destroyed, but after being unlinked, it becomes inaccessible. Remove your files wisely. The effect of an rm operation cannot be done. And if what you want is to completely erase the data on the disk so it cannot be recovered, use the shred command instead. This will override the file's contents so that they cannot be reconstructed later by any means. When using rm, if the -I or interactive ones option is given, and there are more than 3 files, or the -R or -R or recursive are given, rm will prompt the user for whether to proceed with the entire operation. If the response is not yes, the entire command is aborted. Otherwise, if a file is unwritable, standard input is a terminal and the -F or force option is not given, or the -I or interactive always option is given, rm prompts the user for whether to remove the file. If the response is not yes, the file is skipped. The rmdir utility removes the directory entry specified by each directory argument, provided the directory is empty. Arguments are processed in the order given. To remove both the parent directory and the subdirectory of that parent, the subdirectory must be specified first, so that the parent directory is empty when rmdir tries to remove it. rmmod is a simple program which removes or unloads a module from the Linux kernel. In most cases, you'll want to use modprobe with the -R option instead, as it is more robust and handles dependencies for you. In computer networking, a router is a device responsible for forwarding network traffic. When datagrams arrive at the router must determine the best way to route them to their destination. On Linux, BSD and other Unix-like systems, the route command is used to view and make changes to the kernel routing table. Running route at the command line without any options will display the routing table entries. rpm is the Red Hat package manager and is a default open source and most popular package management utility for Red Hat based systems like RL, CentOS and Fedora. The tool allows system administrators and users to install, update, uninstall, query, verify and manage system software packages in Unix and Linux operating systems. The RPM, formerly known as the .rpm file, includes compiled software programs and libraries needed by the packages. This utility only works with packages that are built on the .rpm format. Here are some facts about RPM. It's free and released under a GPL, or a general public license. It keeps the information of all the installed packages under /var/lib/rpm. If you've installed packages using source code, the RPM won't manage it, and RPM deals with .rpm files, which contain the actual information about the packages, such as what it is, where it comes from, dependency info, version info, and so on. rpm2cpio converts the .rpm file specified as a single argument to a CPIO archive on standard out. If a - argument is given, an RPM stream is read from the standard in. And that's about it for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Any questions you might have are to be left down in the comment section or on our website www.sosit.co. Again, that's www.sosit.co. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.